Welcome to the Van Rap Radio. Niduka Nisuhana Niwana and Wamahunguni. Aunana Zwingwe, you know how we do it. We give you the best of the best out of the rest. Na musi hapa ndo jona mwa basuhana wena mambizabari SuphaBeats over all the way from Boxback. Marosina na Zwingwe abara ndisi phanda ndisi toto ndiko rasesa tere. Ene munne adiambele ardibaze uri hone ori farela mini ubva gai na muzika wawo ziko chimbilisa hani. SuphaBeats, welcome to Van Rap Radio.
Welcome, man.
Yeah, man. You know, you travel all the way to come here.
I've been meaning to come here.
Yeah, man. I know. I've been told you, Ramen. You've been looking forward to come through, and then we can have a chat. But before we go any further, just trying to cut to the chase. Tell us, who is SuphaBeats? Where is he from? What is he all about?
Yeah, SuphaBeats is a music producer.
Music producer, yeah.
Yeah, born and bred in the Eastern Cape, Port Elizabeth. They said what's up. But we asked Josie to tell us,
We all come here. We come from somewhere and we end up here.
It's Josie, baby.
Yeah.
So that's actually him.
Okay, so you're doing music. Is it just hip hop, house, or you produce everything?
Actually, I started with house music back then, but now I'm doing like everything.
Everything. So you're killing it that way. Yeah. Okay, so but the love of music, where does all this come from? You know, everybody have the inspiration. Hey, yeah, you know. So the love of music, eh?
Actually, it's strange. Just me growing up, I never had that love of young time of music. I was just doing some other things, but it's a story for another day. But yeah, the love of music, it came one day. I think it was back in 2010. I was in Pretoria, and a friend of mine said, "Do I see a studio?" So seeing what happens in the studio, I was like, "Yo!" But ever since then, I fell in love with it.
You never look back.
No turning back. Anything is over.
Okay, so how would you describe your sound, like your music, the music that you do? Like, how can you describe it? Like, what's different from everyone that they're doing music?
This is for me. This is true music. Music that can only be created once you go through it. You get me? This is life-based stories for Ikasi and me growing up Ikasi, being faced with new situations and stuff. You get me?
So in your music, everybody has that influence, something that kicks them in the mornings. You know what? Let me make this beat. Let me write these songs. What really influence you? Like something that kicks you, give you that kick.
That kick, yeah. It's everyone I've met, actually.
Everyone you've met.
The life surrounding me, you get growing up Ikasi, and everyone around me I've met. It may be now we'll see. Maybe you are living in a burbs, but you're no longer in the hood. But the hood made you.
The hood created you.
Whatever you have that background, yes, you get me. So everyone, the hood influence, everyone is influenced around me. Whoever, Van Rap, you get me.
Yeah. Okay, let's look at the hip hop music that you've been doing. Like how long you've been in this hip hop writing, producing, like hip hop itself. We know you're doing house and everything, but then now you have hip hop music that is out there, like your rap music that is out there. How long you been doing it, and
Yeah, I started production back in 2010. Then 2015, that's when I started saying, okay, because every time I've been in those studios, every time I was a studio, niggas would always tell me when I rap. Sometimes I play a beat and then I rap. And Donna, you can rap. Why don't you do something? So rapping, I started 2015. That's when I started working on my thing. Now I'm rapping. But production-wise, it was 2010. Ever since then.
Okay. So like right now, is there any music beside what you have released? Are you working on something? Like, are you cooking something in studio?
Yeah, I'm cooking up something. Definitely, there's an EP I'm about to drop soon called The Paper Trials. It's like my first baby. It's gonna be crazy, man.
We're all crazy. You're putting all the work into that.
Everything, all that 100 effort went there to that tape. Trust me. And I'm like that on everyone I'm working with. I put like 100% effort. Yeah. So.
Okay, we have right now we have a lot of rappers. I don't know what I can call them. Mumble rappers, or some people trying to talk. We have all these rap, like we call it rap, but we know it's not rap. It's just some people just making noise over the beat, and they're all over. So your style of rap? Is it the mumble rap? Is it like rap? Or you just trapping, or you got trap beats but you're rapping over, you know?
Mm. You know what? For me, my style of rap, I rap. Actually, I'm not afraid of growth. This is how I can put it. I'm not afraid of growth. I challenge everything. Everything for me is a challenge.
It's a challenge.
You get me? Whatever. If it's good music, I'm in it, baby.
So you're not those ones that mfowethu mina ngikhona ukujayiva amapiano kuphela, but you're calling yourself a dancer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's really a challenge. If you rap, you rap. That's how you prove it. Rap.
Yeah, and then there is this situation like nowadays where you find that every rapper thinks, okay, it's been there before, but now it have gone overboard. Back then we know that people say, no, to rap you need to smoke weed. That's what some believed.
Yes,
you know, some will say, no, you gotta do it the way you do it. But recently you see most of the kids that are jumping into the rap game or the hip hop culture, they're relying on drugs. Like most of artists, like they rely on drugs. So what do you think about this? Is it good to make people believe that you need to use drugs to be the dopest, or is there anything wrong about it? You know?
Nah, it's bad. For me, it's like it's bad because once sometimes you get used to writing in that condition, you will stick to that condition. And beside that, even that, yeah, this track thing has taken like a lot of artists from us. It's taken like a lot of my niggas, even in the hood. I'm not just talking about now in the music industry. It's a thing. I think we need some sort of a black superhero for this track.
Somebody needs to jump in and fix this all day.
You get me? We need to fix it. It's bad.
Yeah, it's really bad. I've seen like a lot of niggas losing all they worked up for. No, all the years somebody works so hard, but then you lose it over a month. Like,
you get me?
Yeah, no, I do understand. And then on your project, like you spoke about the EP that you're working on, do you have any other artists you worked with? Let's say producers, besides you being a producer, letting other people produce for you?
Yeah.
And then any artists that you collaborate on this project?
Yeah, I've collaborated with a lot of people, man. Like a few, I know I have a handful. I've worked with a producer, Prince the King. I've collaborated with Detonator. There's a nigga of mine also who's about to drop soon. Y'all don't know him now, but you don't know the nigga, you get me?
Yeah, I'm going to be you're going to know them niggas.
You're going to know the nigga, you get me? So I've worked with a lot of people, you get me? 1 meter also, yeah, well, there's a lot of Scroof, yeah. There's also Scroof, another nigga of mine also who rap. Crazy Cats, you get me, from the hood, Boxback, you know. These are choosy cats.
Somebody gotta show up. Somebody gotta show up there.
Hear me?
Yeah, man. So, you actually gonna get new fans. You already have fans. You know. Yeah. So, what message would you like to give your new fans, old fans? Like, what do you like people like these fans to take from your music? What message would you like them to take from your music?
I said go to hard. And I mean, that's like a good one. It's a great question, man. You get me? For me, this is hope for the streets, you get me?
Yeah.
Whatever you're going through, just keep your head up. The best is yet to come, babe. That's all I say.
Nah, I get it. I get you. So, you do have the music out. You do have singles out. You're pushing this other single. Can you give me, what's the name of that single?
Casta Semenya.
Yeah?
Casta Semenya.
So it's hot, it's fast like Casta Semenya.
It's running the street. It's the hit right now. If you haven't heard it, I'm sure you wanna hear this one.
I'm telling you guys, wait until the end of the interview because you're gonna hear this song. Definitely gonna hear the song when the interview ends. So just chill there. Don't stress. You're gonna hear this single. Casta Semenya. I didn't tell you. Okay.
You heard it first from live and rap.
Yeah. So before you know, everybody wanna get signed. Everybody wanna be big in the industry. We all work in different ways. You're pushing your music. So. Are you signed? You looking forward to being signed, or you independent?
I'm independent for now. You get me?
For now.
Self-made niggas. You get me? We're self-made. I just recently started a company with my niggas. You get me?
Yeah.
From way back long ago, everything is sorted. So we're just doing it ourselves. Your own boss. You get me? You get to own yourself. Own it.
I keep on telling people, rather license your music or your content. Let's say you just go say, yo guys, distribute my music, but you own. Everything, you know, you keep everything. It's in house.
I hope they taking notes. This is for self-made niggas, you get me?
You know, because it's sad when you find that you are a slave. That's what people don't understand.
Yeah.
When you sign a deal, they take your master.
And you'll be slave.
And then they give you the slave.
Hey.
Even on the computer.
Everything is just
there's a
belongs to
master
them.
and there's a slave. So once you become a slave, it's all
answer
messed
to
up.
the master.
Yeah, you answer to the master. That's when they die poor and they complain, but you forgot you signed away everything.
You get me?
Stay away from just signing these contracts. Okay, but that's a topic for another day.
My nigga.
So right now, on your playlist, who are you bumping?
Oh my God.
Yeah. What are you listening to? Are you listening to some Kwaito House or Livum Tuguze, hip hop?
You know what? I give credit to whom credit is due. I listen to everyone, but this is like, first things first, I think we should give credit to these young kids, man. They've been on steroid. Like this new upcoming artists, it's like these young cats in the game. They've been on some other things, some crazy things. You get me? Let's give credit to them. But on my playlist, I'm listening to some Nasty C, some A-Reece, that's one of my niggas, some Questa, I've got some Stoggies, I've got some.
Yeah, you're carrying some
heavy. I've got some youngsters.
You got some soldiers right there.
I've got iTunes, so I always go, whatever's new, I always hop on it at the same time, listening to it. You get me? So I'm listening to everything, every music.
I get you.
Man.
Let's look here. There's people that wanna collaborate with you. They wanna work with you. There's fans who wanna get hold of you. They wanna follow you, get to know your music and everything. On social media, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there, my nigga. I'm there. On Twitter, it's SuphaBeats 7. That's SUPHA 7. SuphaBeats 7. On Facebook, SuphaBeats SUPHA. Beats, don't say super without saying the beats in it. You get me? That's SuphaBeats also, on
Instagram.
On Instagram, SuphaBeats also. It's like SuphaBeats. I'm SuphaBeats SUPHA. That's SuphaBeats.
You know what I like about it? Your social media is straightforward. Imagine you SuphaBeats on Facebook, you dope nigga on Twitter, on Instagram. You're using some names that, like, even when people want to find you, it becomes too difficult.
I'm a real nigga.
So you can tell that somebody knew that then you know what you're doing.
Respect, man.
So before we bounce here, SuphaBeats, I don't know if you can hit me with a freestyle or anything.
Freestyle,
yeah.
Let's go. See, I'm a big dude. Came in this game like a young dude, a smart dude. I was never dumb and I fooled you. A crook niggas look, but they never tried. They shook too. A fucker window, I got bars like a pin do. Hustlers, lifers, knifers, money motivated niggas locked up in the pin. The flunkies and the junkies got me cooking on the old stove. It's steady money got me in it for the long haul. Yeah, man.
I want the fair. I see Netiri. It's the Van Rap Radio, then a SuphaBeats. We're about to bounce. But you know what you need to do? There in the description there. Check all the links. Follow him.
Let's get this.
Click those links there at the bottom. Follow him. Don't waste time. And don't forget to download our app. You just search Van Rap Radio on your phone, or you go to Van Rap Radio Station on our website. Upload your music, share music, download your music, stream. Just do everything you want. Or just chat with your friends. But it's not a dating site. I'm out of here.
And rap we have.
I'm out.
Hello. Yeah. Gotta lie. Standing on the street life. And it's that bay life. It is that bay life.
Bay life.
Gotta life.
Standing
on the street life.
Yo, it's that for slow life. Ghetto life. Standing on the street life.
Etsothi sami ukwenza impilo ibe ngcono.
Angithi impilo ibe ngcono.
Siyeke izinto ezirongo.
Angithi sami ukwenza impilo ibe ngcono.
Impilo ibe ngcono.
Siyeke izinto ezirong. I had to listen to Biggie, control my feelings, buddy. City to city for sure on the Biggie, buddy.
Sure.
While you were chilling, we were cypher killing, buddy. Now we up on the ceiling, cut to chin no pila, buddy.
I tell them, more ching ching, kuluma ngo cheese. When I the only ching you know is is Chinese, cause when the lights hit, Tina basibiza my street kings. Unlike you, banibiza my.
But of course we want the riches, overcome the glitches. Spalism nganati cause we calculating figures. Drop a compilations, mapendula my believer. Khohlwa VIPs, osithole ebantwini imali. Yo, it's that for slow life, ghetto life, standing on the street light.
It is that bay life, got a life, standing on the street life.
Angithi sama kwenza impilo ibe ngcono,
Impilo ibe ngcono,
siyeke izinto ezirong.
etsothi sama kwenza impilo ibe ngcono,
Angithi impilo ibe ngcono.
siyeke izinto ezirongo. Yeah, I got a gun so I don't run my shots. Ngifana nesosha, ngifana ngibhizi nemash. On the other hand, I kill to eat. You look into my eye, you see the face of a chick. Hey,
Yambona umakhelwane uvula isicabha ufuna ukubola. Phansi emakasana ungenamaluvu liko. Masithi siphanda ngebeat sidlala lengo. Sikhokhorike sipolish ignoring cause siphanda ngento.
maningi ama-hustler, you can end the list. Ekhathi tshela labantu bangilethela ushit. Sigqoka ama-cheats, siphathane nzima, akulalwa nje sibize siphanda lo shit. Ma-ching-ching, ethathe sama ukwenza impilo ibe ngcono, siyeke izinto ezirongo.
Angithi sama ukwenza impilo ibe ngcono. Siyeke izinto ezirong. Angithi sama ukwenza impilo ibe ngcono.
Impilo ibe ngcono,
Siyeke izinto ezirong.
etsothi sama ukwenza impilo ibe ngcono,
Angithi impilo ibe ngcono.
siyeke izinto ezirongo. It is that bay life,
Gay life,
got a life,
got a life.
standing on the street life.
Yo, it's that for slow life, ghetto life, standing on the street light.
Etsothi sama ukwenza impilo ibe ngcono,
Angithi impilo ibe ngcono.
siyeke izinto ezirongo.
Angithi sama ukwenza impilo ibe ngcono.
Impilo ibe ngcono,
Siyeke izinto ezirong.